y'all, it's your girl Caitlyn. If you're not new to my channel or if you haven't heard yet, I'm doing a special Halloween edition all October, and today we're going to be transforming into a minion. If you would like to see how that turns out, keep on watching.